Hello students. In previous class you studied about the HCF, that is highest common factor, and today we will begin with the lowest common multiple, LCM of the given numbers. So what is LCM first? First we will discuss the definition of the LCM and then we will discuss some example. With the help of that example you will understand what is LCM and how to find out the LCM. So LCM of two number is the smallest number which can be divided by each of the number without leaving remainder. For example, what is the meaning of this whole sentence is, suppose you want to find out LCM of two number, that is 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. I will tell you how to find out LCM. Just here I am telling you the example. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So this 6 is divisible by 2 also and it is divisible by 3. This is the least number, smallest number which is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 and this is also divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. It means LCM of the two number is the number, lowest number which is divisible by each of the number. Now we will discuss some method by which we can find out the LCM of the given number. In that, first one is LCM by prime factorization method. How to find the LCM by prime factorization method. So for that, the example, see the example. With the help of the example you will understand how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Suppose you have to find the LCM of 36 and 48. So here, as its name suggests, the method name suggests prime factorization, it means you have to take out the prime factor of 36 and prime factor of 48. So first you find out prime factor of 36, which you have learned in the previous classes, how to find out the prime factor. So first find out prime factor of 36. So for that you will divide 36 with the prime numbers. Start with the smallest prime number 2. So 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18. Then 9 is not divisible by 2. We'll take the next prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So prime factor of 36 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now the next one, 48. You want to find out the prime factor of 48. So 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are, then 2 6s are, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So these are all the prime numbers of the prime factors of the 48. So now here you write prime factor of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So all these factors we have written. Now you have to find out the LCM from these two prime factors. So how to find out the LCM? To find out the LCM, you will see here what are the prime factor common in this. So you can see 2. 2 is present how many times in this? 2 times. And 2 is present how many times in this 48 factor? 4 times. So for finding the LCM, we will take the prime number which is maximum number of time in any of these. So how many times it is there maximum? 4 times in the second one. In the prime factor of 48, 2 is present 4 times. So you will take 2 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times we will take 2. Now see, then next prime factor 3. 3 is present in the prime factor of 36 2 times and it is present here 1 time. So which one is maximum? 2 times. It is maximum number of time. How many times it is maximum number of time? 2 times. So we will take 2 times. So 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this will be the LCM. Now you will multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. 16 into 9. So 16 9s are 144. So this is your LCM by prime factorization method. So what you have to do in this, you will take out prime factor of each number and then you will select the prime factor which is maximum number of times. So that many times you will write that factor and then you will multiply it. You will get the final LCM. And you can see here, you can verify also this 144 is divisible by 36. 36 4s are 144. And this 144 is divisible by 48 also. 48 3s are 144. It means this is the lowest number. This is the lowest number which is divisible by 36 and which is also divisible by 48, which is given in the definition of the LCM. LCM is the lowest number which is divisible by each of the number. So this is the LCM of 36 and 48. We will discuss some more example to better understand this. Now let us discuss another example. Now next example is LCM of 25 and 80, again with prime factor method. So to find out LCM of these two numbers, first we will find the prime factor of 25. Prime factor of 25. So 25, it is divided by 5 first. 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. So here prime factor of 25 will be 5 into 5. Now next we will find prime factor of 80. 80, first you divide it with 2, 2 40s are, then 2 20, 2 10s are, 2 5s are and 5 1s are. So now note down what are the prime factors here. Prime factor of 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Prime factor of 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now see here. So these two factors are there. 5 is the factor and 2 is the factor. So first we will see how many times 2 appears here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Maximum how many times 2 appears here? 4 times. So we will take in LCM 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 we will take here. And now 5, how many times 5 appears maximum number? So 5 appears 2 times here and 1 time. So which one is maximum? 2 is maximum. So we will take 5 2 times. 5 into 5. Now that LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Means 4 times 2 and 2 times 5 we will take. Maximum number of time 2 appears 4 times and maximum number of time 5 appears 2 times. So we will take according to that. Now we will multiply that. So on multiplication, the convenient grouping method we will use. 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. And then this 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 10 into 10, 10 10s are 100, 100 4s are 400. So your answer will be 400. So LCM of these two numbers 25 and 80 is 400, and you can see this 400 is divisible by 25 also, and this is divisible by 80. So okay, so it is divisible by both of the numbers, so this is known as the LCM. Now the next method by which we can find out the LCM is LCM by division method. LCM now with the division method. Prime factor method is over. Now next is division method. So to find LCM by division method, what we will do, we will take both the numbers together and we will divide it. So, okay, so you see here 36 and 48, you have to find the LCM of the number 36 and 48. So you divide these two numbers with the common number with which both are divisible. So we will start with the smallest numbers. 2 18s are, 2 24s are, then again 18 and 24 both are divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2, 2 9s are, 2 12s are, then 9 is not divisible but 12 is divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2 and we will copy this 9 as it is. In the next step we will copy this 9 as it is and this 12 we will divide by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Now 9 and 3, this 6 is again divisible by 2. So we will divide and this 9 we will copy in the next step. So 2 3s are 6 and 9 will be there. Now this 9 and 3 both are not divisible by 2. It is divisible by next prime number, that is 3. So now divide 9 and 3 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now this 3 is left only, 3 1s are 3. So you divide these two numbers by the number until at last is coming 1. And then what you do, all these numbers, all these factors, you will multiply together and then it will give you the LCM. Now you see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. I have written here, and you multiply these numbers, you will get 144. So this is the division method by which we can find the LCM of the two numbers. Now second example is LCM of 75 and 120 by division method. So how to find LCM of 75 and 120, 75 and 120. So this you will start with the smallest number 2. So you start with 2. This 75 is not divisible by 2. 75 you will copy as it is. Now 60 here. Again you will divide by 2. Then again 75 you will copy here and 30. Again take 2. 75 you copy and 2 15s are 30. Now both the numbers are not divisible by 2. So you will take the next number, that is 3. So now 3 25s are and 3 5s are. Now both the numbers are not divisible by 3 also. Now the next number is 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now again this 5 is divisible by 5, 5 1s are 5. Now here you will stop your division, and now for LCM what you will do? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 5 and into 5. Again I will take convenient grouping. 2 and 5 you multiply together. This 2 with this 5 and this 3 with this 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Now 10 10s are 100 and 106 are 6. So your answer is 600. So this is the method by which, division method by which we can find the LCM of them. Okay, now the next topic is how to find it. HCF and LCM is given and one number is given. So how to find the other number? So some formulas are there. We will discuss that formula and then we will do that. Now relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. So there is a formula for finding the relation between HCF and LCM. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, that is first number or one number multiplied with the second number. So this is the basic formula for the relation between HCF and LCM, and from this formula we can write these three formulas also. What is that? LCM is equal to product of two number upon HCF. Then HCF is equal to product of two number upon LCM. And if you want to find out this number, second number, then this first number you will transfer this side and then it will come in division and the formula will become second number is equal to HCF into LCM upon first number. So these are the three formulas which we can find by this formula, basic formula. HCF into LCM is equal to product of first number into second number. Now using these formula we can do an example. Let us discuss that example. Now the question is, the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 120 and 12 respectively. If one number is 24, find the other number. This is your question based on that formula. Now we will solve this. So to solve it, first step is you note down what is given here. LCM, first you note down what is LCM here. So LCM is equal to 120, HCF is equal to 12. One number, that is first number is given. One number is equal to 24 and we have to find the other number. Other number you have to find, so you put a question mark here. Now write the formula. What is the formula? Basic formula is equal to HCF into LCM is equal to one number into other number. So now to find the other number, this one number is the first number will come in division part here. So it will, the formula will become other number is equal to, other number is equal to HCF into LCM divided by one number. Now you write the values here. HCF is 12, LCM is 120 and the number given here is 24. So you write here 24. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 and with 2 you will cancel it. 120, then you will get 60. So your other number is equal to 60. So this is your answer. So you have seen how using this formula we can find the other number. Same way, if HCF is given, you can find LCM. If one first number and second number is given, some more example let us discuss, then it will be more clear to all of you. Next example 2 is, if the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 252 and 6 respectively, and if one of the number is 42, find the other number. Just like the previous example, you will solve this question also. Note down what is given. LCM is 252, HCF is 6, one number is equal to 42, you have to find the other number. So write the formula for other number. Now I am writing directly. Other number is equal to HCF into LCM divided by one number. Or you can write first number also. So here you write 6 into 252 divided by 42. Now 6 7 ja 42, and with 7 you divide, so you will get 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 20. Here you can divide in rough column. For your convenience, I am dividing here. 7 3s are 21. 4 7 6s are 42. So your answer is 36. So the other number is equal to 36. So in this way you can solve it. Now note down some homework based on this LCM and all. So note down that. Now note down some homework. First question is, find the LCM by prime factorization method. 4 questions are there. Based on that, find out the prime factorization with the help of prime factorization method. Find the LCM of 144 and 204, 132, 84. You can note down. I am giving you 2 minutes time. You can note down these things and then we will finish it. Now in this way we have completed this chapter. Now next term we will do the next chapter, that is chapter 3, whole numbers. Okay.